Unveiling the mystery, the science behind yellowing teeth. Have you ever wondered why teeth become yellow over time? 1. Understanding tooth anatomy. To comprehend the reasons behind tooth discoloration, it is essential to grasp the basic structure of our teeth. 2. The role of enamel. Enamel, the outermost layer of the tooth, acts as a protective shield against external factors. 2. The influence of dentin. Dentin, the layer beneath the enamel, possesses a yellowish hue. When the enamel becomes thinner or damaged, the dentin's natural color becomes more noticeable, contributing to the yellowing of teeth. Lifestyle factors. A. Food and beverages. Certain foods and drinks can leave stains on the enamel, gradually darkening the teeth, such as coffee, tea, red wine, and highly pigmented fruits. B. Tobacco use. Smoking or chewing tobacco introduces tar and nicotine to the teeth, resulting in stubborn yellow stains that are challenging to remove. Versus dental hygiene practices. A. Inadequate brushing and flossing. Insufficient oral hygiene practices can lead to the buildup of plaque and tartar. B. Improper brushing techniques. Brushing too vigorously can erode the enamel, making teeth appear yellow. V. Age and genetics. As we age, our teeth naturally undergo changes, including a gradual yellowing process. 7. Certain medical conditions and medications can affect tooth color, such as enamel hypoplasia, fluorosis, and tetracycline staining. 8. Professional teeth whitening options. These offer effective solutions such as in-office bleaching, at-home whitening kits, and laser whitening. X. Preventive measures and home remedies, including dietary modifications, proper oral hygiene, and the use of whitening toothpaste. Conclusion. Yellowing teeth can be a source of self-consciousness, but understanding causes can empower us to take steps toward a healthier, whiter smile. Remember, a radiant smile starts with knowledge.